Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Extend Volume option grayed out in Windows 11. This is a common issue when trying to extend your C drive or any other partition. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Click on Start and type, Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Hit Enter to open Disk Management. Maximize the window to get a clear view. Let's say you want to extend your C drive, but the option is grayed out. This usually happens because there is another partition, like a recovery partition, immediately to the right of the C drive. If it's a normal partition, you can right-click on it. Select Delete Volume. Important. Make sure to back up any data from that drive before deleting it. If it's a recovery partition, like in my case, Windows won't let you delete it through the Disk Management tool. But don't worry, here's how to do it using Command Prompt. Step 2. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Search for CMD. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Step 3. Use DiskPart to delete recovery partition. Type the following command, DiskPart, and press Enter. Then type List Disk and then press Enter. This will show all your connected drives. Identify the disk that contains your C drive. For example, if it's disk 0, then type Select Disk 0. Now type List Partition and then press Enter. This will show all partitions on the selected disk. Look for the recovery partition. You can identify it by its size, for example 612 megabytes. Once you find the correct one, type Select Partition 0. Replace 0 with the correct partition number. Then delete it by typing Delete Partition Override. Press Enter. Step 4. Extend the C drive. Go back to Disk Management. You should now see unallocated space to the right of your C drive. Right-click on C drive and select Extend Volume. Click Next. Choose the size you want to add, for example 604 megabytes. Then click Next and Finish. Your C drive now has more space, and the Extend Volume option should no longer be grayed out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.